morning, dear teachers and fellow friends. Today I would like to present my web app that I've programmed in React.js and Express.js. The app is a quiz of periodic tables, or the website is a quiz of periodic tables. It works by generating a random list of questions, and there are 5 types of questions that it can generate. It is currently limited to 54 elements to make it easier to attempt, but other elements can be easily added in the data. This website relies on custom buttons and custom objects. The source code is available at this link. This is the whole folder of the quiz, and the code is available at the link in the description, and anyone can download it from GitHub and use it on their own site and run it locally. To make it easier for everyone to attempt, the app or the website is deployed at this domain. So ayushgarg.net// quiz hyphen science hyphen hhw. The questions are not repeated and are randomly generated, so everyone will get different questions. If you pick a wrong answer, your answer is shown in red while the correct answer is shown in green. If you pick a correct answer, your answer is shown in green to indicate it's the correct answer. The website currently only works on laptop, but it is easily migratable to mobile just by adding the CSS files for the mobile to make it readily available on mobile and scalable on mobile. Now here's a demonstration. And for the side note, the main quiz is loaded by quizload.js file, um, and it uses all the other files that are in the folder as dependencies. So it calls them whenever needed and renders them. Now to start it, I'll just enter my name or any name to make it easier for later. So I'll just enter XYZ. So um, it generates a random question using the generate these random questions are generated by generate quiz.javascript, and it has the array of all the elements, 54 elements, but other elements are here and can easily be added just by uncommenting them. So the code is here for anyone to read. So if I take a correct answer, the answer is shown in green, but if I take a wrong answer, it is shown red while the correct answer is shown in green. So I'll just go through the quiz here quickly. And there are 5 types of questions that it can generate. So those are also randomly picked by a random number generator. So and no 2 questions should be repeated in a quiz. And in the end it gives a score. So name scored the marks scored out of 10, or the number of questions. So this can be easily changed, and it stores this in a database. So we can access the database. It's a Firebase Firestore database. It's basically a Google hosted database. So here it gives it. So XYZ scored 2 at time and date and day. And just by refreshing, you'll come to the start screen and you can attempt the quiz once again. As I said, the code is available at the link shared in the description. And I would like to thank all the teachers and friends for watching.